Right. So here's the thing. I know there are a lot of channels out there that, or videos out there that say, oh, you have Louis Vuitton affiliate program. You're going to earn a lot of money, this and that. But the thing about this is there is no real, like Louis Vuitton is one of the most well-known, most popular, most sought after fashion brands in the world. And there's high traffic in this website right here. This is one of their websites. But the thing about this is they don't really have an affiliate program, right? And this is supported by this LinkedIn article here. As you can see here, Louis Vuitton is one of the most famous luxurious brands in the world. Its products are coveted by people all around the globe. However, there is no official Louis Vuitton affiliate program. So if you find channels that say, or videos that say, this is how you do it, and then they go step by step, it's usually a scam. It's usually a way to drive traffic to their landing page, which is, something that rhymes with Louis Vuitton or something. And people have had just a bad experience with videos like that. So our video, we don't do that. We just say, sure, our title is a bit clickbaity, but we are here to give you knowledge and give you the information that, they don't have any affiliate programs or whatnot. There are a lot of other affiliate program stuff when it comes to high fashion, but Louis Vuitton is not one of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.